Welcome, here I've got MEIZU 16th and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. And it gives us access to the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on this one option, photo aspect ratio. When we tap on this we can easily change it, and as you can see now we have 4:3 ratio. We can go to 16:9, and as you can see the background here is changing. We can also change it to this 18:9, and this is the full screen ratio here. And of course, by going again to the settings in the right and tapping on this, we can go back easily to 4:3, which was the original one. So this is how it works and this is how it changes. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.